Hey everybody, as you can see, she's got her bumper back. Got that put on this morning, along with a bumper that has a tow hook provision, and the big gulp was installed. So let me show you some of those. Well, here's a stock bumper. This is the inner crash bar, I guess you would call it. But you see there's not a threaded hole here for the tow hook. The ZL1, I guess the American ZL1 didn't require it by law, I guess, so they didn't put it in there. Some Camaros have them, some don't. I don't think the ZL1s for this year have them. And there's no provision in the bumper. So let me show you a quick picture of what the new bar looks like. So I took some precise measurements when I had the bumper off, when the new black crash bar was in there. Center line of that threaded hole. It's going to be hard to see, but there is a part of the channel frame that's under there that I actually indexed off of. So I'm going to be using that to find where the center of the threaded area is here, so that if I ever want to put a tow hook in, I can. I haven't found one I like yet. So the thread pitch is 18 millimeter by 2.5, and I know exactly where to put the hole there, but I'm not going to because, well, I don't have a tow hook. So, but that's gonna come a little later. Let me show you the big gulp. So here at the front of the car, this is where the roto-fab big gulp grabs its air from. That was also installed today. So the air is going to come in here. You can see the selector bar. Right now it's selecting 100% of the air coming in that area to go to the cold air box. And if we flip it over to that side, that directs a good percentage of the air over to the brake duct. So some air still goes to the air box, and of course it's not going to starve the engine of air. It'll just pull it in from around the front of the radiator, which will probably be a little warmer. So if you're tracking the car using the brakes a lot, you would want to have it in this position. Otherwise, for performance, you have it over there because your brakes just aren't going to get hot enough driving around. If you look right down there, that part with the 3 rivets, that's the exhaust side of the big gulp. That's where the air comes out and fills this little chamber up with cold air from the front of the car. So that's how the big gulp works. And looks like she's done for now. Just need that tune. And I'll bring you guys along when I go up to Wong's Performance, and of course we're going to see what the dyno does, and I'll post that. So if you're not already, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and when I make a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Have a good day.